honor to present the letter of credence which the Governor General, Her Excellency, Mary Simon, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of Canada to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the Governor General, the Honourable Prime Minister, the government and the people of Canada our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is beautiful. This will be one of our first art pieces in our new High Commission. So